Alright, so in this video I wanted to look at just another example or two of how to evaluate functions when you're looking at graphs or graphs of functions. So right here in blue you see we have h of x defined, this little u-shaped one. The green function is g of x and the red function is f of x. This first question they're asking is all around h of x here. So it says find 3 times h of 1 plus h of 7. Well, this h of 1 part right here, all this means is you go to the h function and you plug in 1 for x. And basically whatever y value is on that spot, that is your value for h of 1. So we're going to go to 1 for x right here, and then follow that up until it meets the graph. Okay, looks like it intersects right here. And that y value is at 6. So what this means is 3 times 6. h of 1 is equal to 6. Plus h of 7 here. So plug in 7 for x. So you got 5, 6, 7. All right, that is the x value. And what they want to know is what is the y value at 7 for the h function. Well, you can see the y value here, it's not up and down at all. That one has a y value of 0. So h of 7 is equal to 0. So now we're going to have 3 times 6, which is 18, and 18 plus 0. Okay, so 18 is our answer for that one. Let's look at another one here. This one, they're asking us to find g of 2. So plug in 2 for x, and then subtract 4 times f of negative 5. Okay, so g of 2. So we need to go to positive 2 for x. So positive 2 for x is this spot right here. Now keep in mind, we're not doing the blue function. So we're tracking it down to g of x, tracking it down to the green graph. So follow that down right there. We want to know the y value at that point. Okay, and so if you backtrack it to where the y-axis is, you can see it's there at negative 4. So g of 2 is equal to negative 4. Here, let's switch colors. Yeah. So g of 2 is equal to negative 4. Minus 4 times, and then now we're going to find f of negative 5. So f is the red function here, and we want to go to negative 5 on x right there, and then follow that down to where the graph is. So in this case, we're going down, and it looks like it goes to that spot right there. We want to know the y value at that spot. So we're going to kind of track it over to the y-axis here, and it's whatever that value is. Count my spaces here. That looks like negative 8. So we were at 5, 6, 7, 8. So this has a y value of negative 8. All right. So f of negative 5, if you follow that down, it gives you negative 8 there. So negative 4, negative 8. And then we just have to simplify this little expression here. You got to do multiplication first. So we're going to do, I guess I'm going to do 4 times negative 8. So negative 4, bring down our minus sign here. 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. And then we have negative 4 minus negative 32. Well, that just becomes negative 4 plus 32. So the answer would be 28.